To turn off Zelle Autopay, start by accessing your mobile banking app or visiting your bank's website. Look for the Zelle section, which is usually found under the Transfer or Payments tab. Select the Zelle option and navigate to the Settings or Preferences page. In the Settings page, you will find the Autopay or Recurring Payments option. Click on this option to view a list of all your recurring Zelle payments. Identify the specific payment you want to cancel and select the Edit or Cancel option next to it. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to cancel the autopay. Review the details of the payment to ensure it is the correct one. Then confirm the cancellation. The autopay will be turned off and you will no longer be charged automatically. It is also a good idea to review your bank's policies on autopay and Zelle to understand any potential fees or requirements for canceling autopay. Additionally, if you are unable to find the Zelle section or have trouble canceling autopay, you can contact your bank's customer support for assistance. To avoid any issues with your payments, make sure to turn off autopay at least a few days before the next scheduled payment date. This will ensure that the cancellation is processed in time and you are not charged again. By following these steps, you can easily turn off Zelle Autopay and take control of your payments. Remember to always review your payment settings and autopay options regularly to avoid any unexpected charges or payments.